Oh my goodness, y'all. Don't look at me, I'm all crusty and dusty because I just got off work. But look at the light, and it's not even turned all the way up. I am going to turn it up a little bit. Oh God.
We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tanisha. Hi. And mainly on my channel where I do anything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, fashion, I'm definitely your girl for that. Today's video is a tad bit different from any of those videos. I actually got a new ring light, y'all. I am super excited. I got one of the newer ring lights. It's the 18-inch. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. I've been doing YouTube consistently, well, kind of consistently on and off for like the last 6 months, and my lighting has been trash. I don't know if you've been following me, if you've been subscribed to my channel. The lighting on my videos are very much inconsistent. I recently moved, and when I move, I haven't figured it out. I've been trying to film with just natural lighting, but I work, I don't know about y'all, but I work a real full-time job. I'm a natural hairstylist in the state of North Carolina, so by the time I get home, it's dark and I don't really have any natural daylight. I do have this window here, but it's offset, so I really don't have good lighting, so I wanted to get a ring light, and I actually picked this ring light up. Came from Amazon. Look at this big ass box it came in. I am super excited. I cannot wait to open this for you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and hop right into it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it on camera and let you guys see. I am super excited to have a new ring light. I'm hoping that it's not like hyped up, because I know sometimes people like to hype things up, and it was $91, I believe. Might have been like $99. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm a little cheap. So this is, like I said, this big ass box that it came in. Hopefully you can see me. I hope this lighting isn't like messing with anything. Alright, so trash. And then this is the actual ring light. I was expecting something different, something more, but I will let you guys see. I really hope that this is not something that people on Instagram and TikTok have been hyped up. I hope that this ring light does what it's supposed to do. I hope that it gives my video the lighting that it's supposed to give. So, comes with a little box here. Has something inside. Looks like it is the stand. So it does come with the stand. And then, not sure what this is, but I'm sure it probably goes with the stand. And then I have the newer ring light. I'm so excited. You can get it for a little bit cheaper on Amazon. I want to say you can get it for like $79, but it doesn't come with the bag. I feel like the bag was necessary, mainly because I do hair and I do YouTube and I also do makeup. So I'm probably going to be traveling with this ring light. So definitely recommend getting the one with the bag. I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. Oh my goodness, it is huge. I don't know what I was expecting. I knew it was going to be 18 inches, but for some reason, I could not wrap my mind around what 18 inches was. It is super huge. Like, it's bigger than my whole head. I guess I thought I had like a super big head. I don't know. But that is the ring light. And inside this box, you have the light filters. So these are the clear ones here. It also also has the orange tone filters, and they are here. Power cord has the ring light instruction manual, but I'll never read instructions. I'ma just go at it. Also has a customer support number if you have any, I guess, any issues or anything. Assuming this goes with the power cord. Looks like more paperwork. And then an attachment to put your phone or camera on and your phone. So like I said, I am a girl who does not like to follow instructions. I like to do things on my own. So this is the tripod or the light stand. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. I have no idea. I am going to loosen it up though and see if I can pop it open. It does come upside down, so you do like that. And then I am going to put the ring light on. Just like that. And it basically, I don't know if it screws on. Y'all, I should probably read the directions, but I'm a little hard-headed. Alright, I guess I was just, I don't know, I guess I wasn't smart or something, but I finally figured out, so I'm back to show you guys. It is so simple, I feel like a complete idiot, but oh well, that's why you watch this video. You're watching this video so that you can see what to do and what not to do. So basically, you have the ring light, you have this tripod stand. In the inside of here, it's like a little bolt, so you're just going to twist it all the way out and then place it on top of the stand. Like, how simple was that? And then basically, once you have it on, just going to twist it to tighten it up, and once it is tight, it is good to go. And that's basically the ring light. I'm gonna go ahead and plug up the power cord so you can see exactly what it does. So basically it has a connector, connect it together and plug it in the wall. And like I said, it did come with the light filters. And then it does come with a phone mount or a camera mount and a phone mount. And it also came with a Bluetooth, I guess, button so that you can connect it to your phone or whatever device and you can take pictures with. Thought that was super cool. So I'm just going to, I don't know, I'm just about to show y'all guys exactly what it does. So on the back of it, it has a power button where it goes on and off, and it also has a dimmer switch. So I'm going to press the power button. Oh wow. Oh wow, it is super bright. I had no idea it was going to be that bright. So I really hope and pray that y'all did not hype this up. I hope it is given what it's supposed to be given. I am going to shut my window so that I won't have any kind of natural light in here. And I'm actually going to cut off one of my lights. And this is what the lighting that my bedroom gives. So this is why I say that my videos suck. The lighting sucks, especially if I'm trying to film throughout the night. So this here is just regular lighting, nothing special, just the light in my room. That's the only light that I'm using right now. I'm going to cut the ring light on. This is on like the lowest setting possible. This is about halfway. Oh my goodness, y'all. Don't look at me, I'm all crusty and dusty because I just got off work. But look at the light, and it's not even turned all the way up. I am going to turn it up a little bit. Oh God. My lips are very, very dry. Do not come for me. Like I said, I just got off of work. And I'm going to turn it up some more. Oh my God. Like, this is as bright as it goes. And it is blinding me. Like, it is completely blinding me. I'm actually going to cut the ceiling light off to let you see. This is with no light whatsoever but my ring light. Y'all. It is super bright, super bright. I would definitely recommend this, especially if you're trying to film. I'm also a makeup artist, so I'm definitely going to be using this when I travel and do my makeup or just at the shop. This thing is super bright, y'all. Like, I cannot deal with it so bright. I'm going to turn it back down just a little bit. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this ring light because it is amazing. And it also has a couple of filters. It also comes with the orange filters. Basically, I was told you just snap it on, so I'm going to line it up. So they are very simple to just snap on. I'm scared that they will break over the course of time of putting them on and off. They're not on there completely perfect, but I'm going to turn it down so you can see that they are orange filters. See? Orange filter. I'm going to cut it back on, and I'm actually going to put the camera back in front of it. I am not a fan of the orange filter. It makes me look really orange or warm. So for me, I have melanin skin. I love my melanin, and I don't think this orange filter is for me, but at least you get it. And I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna put the white or the clear filters on so you can see that as well. So just snap them off. Ooh. Pretty simple though. Pretty simple to just snap off. So I am going to snap on the clear filters. So I guess I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I just feel like they're gonna break. I don't know if I'll be putting these on and off because they feel like they're gonna break. So I don't know. They seem like they're made very well though. I don't know. That's as good as I can get it for right now, but I do want you to see what it does. And there you go. And I do not even have it on the high setting. I absolutely love this ring light. Like, if you're a makeup artist, hairstylist, you need it for any kind of light, and photographer, or you filming YouTube videos, I would definitely recommend getting this because it gets super bright. Like I could probably film in here with no lights on, no window, no anything, and I have enough light. Like definitely get you one. And like I said, it does have the phone mount. It does have a mount for you to put your camera on, and it does have the wireless Bluetooth button, so that is definitely a plus if you want to take selfies of yourself. It was $91, I believe. Like I said, I'll link the link down below. If you like what you see, you like any kind of hair videos, makeup, beauty videos, definitely your girl for that. If you just like me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.
We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us.